Class 5th Computer Lesson number 1 Evolution of Computer. The abacus is 5000 years old calculator machine is used for calculation in China, Japan and Russia. Pascaline is a machine which was invented 1644 by French Blaise Pascal, which work faster than abacus, is the second calculator machine in the world. The Napier Bones is a handmade calculating device made by John Napier and numbered from 1 to 9. This is the third calculator machine in the world. Leibniz calculator machine was invented by Leibniz in 1634 and this is a fourth calculator machine. Jacquard's loom was invented by Joseph Maria Jacquard in 1801. It was the first machine to use punch card to control a sequence of operation. A punch card is a piece of paper that contains the information for doing calculation. This information is represented by the hole in it. This machine make a wool and cotton and kaleen. These types of making. Okay. The difference engine was invented by Charles Babbage in 1823. It was used to solve the calculation as well as the complex function. Charles Babbage then improved the difference engine and invented analytical engine, which was completed in 1834. It had data storage memory and it was able to perform basic mathematical operations and comprehension. This engine run at power steam. After all this generation area has started in computer world. First generation computers 1949 to 1956. Two computers were invented in their round. UNIVACI, Universal Automatic Computer, and ENIAC, Electronic Numerical Integrator and Computer. Second generation 1956-1963. It came a transistor chip. Computer model number is IBM 1401, in which the vacuum tube was used and it was smaller in size than the first generation computer. It's work on two languages like machine language, assembly language. Third generation 1946-1971. A new version of the computer was launched in it, named IBM 360, which size was very small compared to second generation. Computer is used monitor, keyboard and integrated circuit for the first time in computer. Fourth generation computers 1971 to present. Large scale integration and microprocessor are being used in these, which is in the shape of a small chip which is named CPU. Its speed and data storage is much higher than the previous generation. We are now in the fifth generation of computer. This is the called artificial intelligence such as robot. Okay. Supercomputer name is Param and Anugrah. What is the work? Is the work of storing data. Mainframe computer. Mainframe computer like a supercomputer use less power and less expensive than supercomputer. This model number is IBM 390 Z900. This is a use in bank industrial area. Mini computer like a CPU and largest number of the people can work together in a mini computer. Like office, private office sector is use a mini computer. Okay. Macro computer is a PC. PC means personal computer we use for personally in home. Okay, I think this is a finish. If you any confusion, you ask me and send a message in my personal WhatsApp if you any confusion, any doubt. Okay. See you. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.